Advisor movements, 15th of April 2021. My image behind me looks awfully like the GPS Wealth logo. It's a Zoom stock image, partially why I chose it. Ceased this week of 2022, switched of 20. The reason for the asterisk there is we've removed some of the internal switches. So Euros Hartley, which had 40 advisors between its licenses, and also from 15 within the IWF owned family, so between RI Advice and Financial Services Partners. So those internal transfers have been removed from the overall switches numbers, which would have made that number 75. New of 6, so a net loss this week of 16. Shout out to the switchers. So Amanda, moving from AMP Australian Unity. I'm glad you popped up on this, Amanda, because I really like your practice name, a good play on your name, being Puddled to Pond. So you can visit Amanda Pond down there in Nowra. Michael Anderson at Echuca, going from Synchron to Avalon and Paul Wright down there in Wollongong, or down there from me, I should say, because given I'm based in Sydney. Professional investment services to Innovus Advice Solutions. Biggest gains this week. So Innovus, so Paul coming over from Professional Investment Services. Privest licensee services coming across from Neo, so 3 advisors there in Perth. Count moving from Fitzpatrick's. Chalmers Private Wealth, or CPW Advisory, moving from the IWF owned Garvin. And Boston IQ coming over from Advice IQ, so Boston Private Wealth, the advisors up there based in Queensland, 6 of those advisors. Biggest losses this week, so Charter, a net gain of 2, likewise AMP, a net loss of 2, AMP also a net loss of 2. Neo, those advisors who switched over from Privest, so a net loss there from Neo of 3. Bridges 3, Fitzpatrick's a net loss of 4, most of those from going to Count. And GPS Wealth, the logo, hopefully that now rings a bell. 5 advisors there, losses, that's sort of mostly accounting or limited license advisors. So that's it for the week. See you again next week. If you haven't already, go and please claim your profile.